Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate SugarCRM email integration for sales outreach. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate SugarCRM email integration for sales outreach, begin by logging into your SugarCRM account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the settings menu on the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on Admin to access the administration panel. In the administration panel, look for the email section and click on it. You will see options for configuring your email settings. Select the Email Settings option to begin setup. Enter the email address you wish to integrate with SugarCRM. Next, choose the appropriate protocol for your email service, typically either IMAP or SMTP. Fill in the incoming mail server details along with your username and password. If required, provide the outgoing mail server settings as well. Make sure to check the boxes for any security settings like SSL or TLS if your email provider requires it. Once all details are entered, click Save to store your email settings. After saving, navigate back to the email section. Look for the Email Clients option to set up your email client configuration. Select the specific email client you will be using, like Outlook or Gmail. Follow the prompts for any additional configurations required for the selected email client. Once configured, test the connection to ensure that SugarCRM can access your email. If the connection is successful, you will see a confirmation message on your screen. You are now ready to start using email integration for your sales outreach activities. Return to the main dashboard to access your email features within SugarCRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.